Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Snapchat has recently released a new update that makes it easier and more fun to chat or send snaps with your friends in groups. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of creating a group chat and adding members to Snapchat. Let's go. Snapchat group chat is like a chat room where you can communicate with multiple people at once. To create one, open Snapchat and proceed to the chat icon. Tap the three-dot button to see the list of options, and click New Chat. This will open a list of your contacts and friends whom you can add to your group chat. In the New Group button, you can first create the group's name to distinguish the chat room easily. Next, select people to add, but note that only your friends on Snapchat can be added to the group chat. Once you have selected the people you want to add, tap on Chat with Group. This will create your group and take you to the chat screen automatically. You can also rename the group if you feel like it needs to be changed. Just go to the upper left part of your screen and tap the group name. If you want to remove a friend from the group, scroll down to see the Group Members section. Here, you can press the name of a person, and from the list, click Remove from Group. Another thing, if you want to delete the group chat, you need to leave the conversation first. Go back to the chat icon and find the name of your group. Hold press, and from the options, tap Leave Group. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.